You might be looking at this and saying, what? Why is that not true? If you take that square root of negative 9 times square root of negative 4, of course, negative 9 times negative 4 is positive 36, and you get square root of 36. However, here is the rule. That square root of negative 9 is a number that does not exist, since you cannot take the square root of a negative number. Meaning, if you have a number that doesn't exist, how do you multiply it to another number that doesn't exist? So instead, here's what we have to do. We want to first go ahead and rewrite that square root of negative 9 into square root of negative 1 times 9. And also, the square root of negative 4, we want to rewrite it as negative 1 times 4. Then, using the rule where we have a times b under square root equals root a times root b, we want to go ahead and rewrite that square root of negative 1 times 9 as square root of negative 1 times square root of 9, and also the square root of negative 1 times 4 as square root of negative 1 times square root of 4. So here's one thing that you need to know. Square root of negative 1 equals I, or imaginary number. This was invented so that we're able to take care of these numbers that does not exist or square root of a negative number. What we're going to do is replace that square root of negative 1 with I. So we have I root 9 and I root 4, where we're going to multiply the I and the I, where we get I squared. And of course, we could now multiply the root 9 and root 4 under one square root. Since I is root negative 1, I squared equals negative 1. So we'll change that I squared into negative 1 and multiply the 9 and the 4, where we get square root of 36. Before I finish, I want to mention one thing. Square root of 36 does not equal plus minus 6. When we use that radical sign, we only use the positive root, or the principal root, where square root of 36 is always only equal to positive 6. So this will be negative 1 times positive 6, or negative 6 is going to be our final answer. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so now, and don't forget to hit that like button.